Hey foodies, and welcome to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're going to make something for my Hocus Pocus Cookbook, but I can't seem to remember where I put it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, maybe if I call it, it'll come.
Yeah.
Oh, book! Oh, well, there it is! And it looks like we have a special guest with us today! This is my good friend, Alex. He's going to join us today.
Thank you, Liz, for that marvelous introduction.
Oh, you're so welcome. Today, we are going to make a pizza from this cookbook. It is called Hollywood Barbecue Chicken Pizza. If you have the cookbook, it is going to be on page 83. Okay, so you can make your own pizza dough and your own barbecue sauce if you wanted to. I have opted to not do those things. So I have a pre-made pizza dough. It's the Jiffy brand. It still tastes the same, I promise. Barbecue sauce. We are using Famous Dave's Rich and Sassy barbecue sauce because it's my favorite. So in this bowl, I have 2 chicken tenders cut up. We have 1 bunch of green onions.
Some sliced red onions.
And we're going to use Cajun-style Kingsford brand seasoning. Oh, do one of you guys want to roll that out?
You can roll it out. Special guest.
So take some parchment paper, because please don't
Okay.
get flour all over my cup.
We're just rolling?
So put the flour down first.
Okay. You can tell I don't normally do this.
Okay, and then you're going to flour some of it on the roller.
Okay. Alright.
Kyra's such a spot with me. Kyra's gonna cook the chicken and I'm gonna help out, so wait! Okay. I want you to use the whole half.
You said to put it on there.
I
Sure did put it on there.
he really did. Yeah. This is a loading procedure. It's not going to be maybe watch next level test. Or kitchen nurses.
We're more worst cooks.
I don't have to say, we are better than work cooks. You're better than that. Alright, now put the dough down.
Okay.
I sprinkle some flour on top. Alright, now you want to roll it out. While you're rolling it out, I want to put some parchment paper on our cookie sheet. I don't know where our pizza is clear from.
Okay. You like thin crust or thick crust?
Okay.
Okay.
I think we're gonna go with thin crust today. Where's the over? We're gonna clean up a little bit.
How do you make a mess?
As I make a mess, yes, and it's almost here. Where I didn't make a mess last week, I spilled vanilla all over my counter.
Spoiler alert, I haven't watched it yet.
You should have. Go ahead and rinse your hands. So I'm going to pour it right down the bottle. Want to use it? Okay. Take a spoon. You can use literally whatever you want right off the top. You put as much or as little as you want. Because it's your pizza. And no one's going to judge you. But if you make this, please post it in the comments so we can see how great of a job you did. I just realized I might not have turned my mic on. I'm so sorry.
It's all good.
As I fiddle. Okay, so that is set up. We are going to shred some mozzarella cheese to go on top. So my mom bought this for me on Amazon. It's great. It was a great purchase. It was like $14. Alex, I'm gonna need you to hold it down while I grind the cheese because, well, the suction doesn't work on it.
That's what she said.
I mean, that is what she said. Let me go get a plate. Give me just 1 second. All right, so a plate to catch all the cheese. And it really shreds it really great. Just, okay, it's kind of messy. Okay, you know what? I'm doing my best here, Alex. Do you want to grind it and I hold?
Sure, I'll try that.
Oh, okay. Watch him get it all over the place. Okay, I'm holding it.
Oh, yeah, I probably want to do that.
It helps if you get it on the plate.
I've got getting more than you did. Now that you moved the plate, I'm not.
Because there's no more cheese left. Alright, I think this is enough cheese.
Yeah.
Alright, it's mozzarella cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm gonna just sprinkle some cheese on. Ignore the whining. Okay, and then we're gonna take some green onions. Sprinkle that on top. And then I take some red onions. I was looking at the green onions, okay, when I picked it up. Don't judge me. You can put as little or as much on. If you really like onions, I guess load it up. If you hate onions, then make a different pizza.
What she said.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take the cooked chicken and just put it on top. You could be fancy and take tongs and place it, but
This was a fancy show.
right, we are just more of a rustic vibe here, rustic,
Unscripted.
completely.
If you could tell.
All right, drizzle some more cheese on top.
That looks good.
And I think it'd be fun to add some more barbecue sauce, but I'll actually measure it somewhat.
You can't have enough barbecue sauce.
And it's a barbecue chicken Hollywood pizza, so I mean, maybe they do this in Hollywood. I wouldn't know. I've never been there.
You're not missing much.
Yeah.
I mean, I have been to San Diego, and that was lovely.
No offense.
Sorry, we're not selling it for you.
We're from Arizona. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven. Carol, can you say how much it's going in the oven for, or how long?
10 to 12 minutes.
All right, so we're gonna pop this in for 10 to 12 minutes. We'll see you in 10 to 12. It's been about 10 to 12 minutes. We're gonna pull the pizza out now. We're gonna have the pizza, huh? And the pizza is done.
Ooh,
Oh,
that looks delicious.
it does. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I know they tell you that you should probably let it cool down and wait, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna jump right on in and cut it. All right, give me just a second. I'll get us some plates and we'll try this pizza. All right, so I pulled 3 plates. Guess gets first slice. I'll take it. Yeah, I'll get it.
Wow.
Here, an extra piece of
Oh,
chicken.
thanks.
You're welcome. All right, now we're gonna give it a try.
Ooh.
Oh, it's hot. Gonna burn my hands, my fingers. Gonna need those still. Just gonna wait a few minutes. Or blow on it, I guess. We could do that. I'm just gonna risk it, I guess. Oh,
Oh, flower.
that's all.
Yes, the blowing method. So it is very hot. This one. Oh, snap. Oh.
It tastes better when it's not burning your mouth.
Shut up. Okay, alright. Alright, so now we're gonna try to let it cool off for a few seconds. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how would we rate this pizza out of 10?
8?
Okay, yeah, it's an 8.
I agree. A solid 8. Yep.
It's really good. You can season chicken however you would like. You can make your own barbecue sauce, or do we did and use famous steaks. But we hope you try this recipe. Let us know what you think.
Until next time, foodies, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.